Welcome back, everyone. We're right in the middle of our journey to becoming top-tier cybersecurity engineers. Last time, we discussed how Python can be used for network scanning and penetration testing. Today, we're diving right into the action with a hands-on session on using Python for network scanning. Network scanning is essential for discovering active hosts, open ports, and identifying potential vulnerabilities. Today, we're going to write a basic Python script to perform a simple network scan. Remember the Heartbleed bug of 2014? It was a serious vulnerability in the Open SSL cryptographic software library. This vulnerability allowed stealing information protected, under normal conditions, by the SSL/TLS encryption used to secure the internet. A proper network scanning could have potentially identified such vulnerabilities earlier. Let's explore Python libraries like Scapy and Nmap, often used for network scanning, and craft some simple scripts using these tools. Although these won't be exhaustive scanning tools, they will provide a solid foundation for you to build upon as you continue your cybersecurity journey. This is a very basic example for educational purposes. Always remember to seek necessary permissions before scanning any networks that are not your own to avoid legal issues. This script sends ARP requests to the target IP range and gets the responses from active hosts in the network, allowing us to discover IP and MAC addresses of these hosts. Remember, ethical considerations are of the utmost importance when scanning networks. Always ensure you have permission to scan any network that's not your own. As James Comey, the former director of the FBI, stated, the cyber threat has evolved and grown, and is ubiquitous now. Everyone is online, everything is online. Thanks for joining me today. We've just scratched the surface of what Python can do in network scanning, but I hope it's sparked your curiosity and shown you the potential of combining Python with cybersecurity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next episode, where we'll further explore Python's capabilities in penetration testing. Until then, keep coding, stay curious, and stay safe.